ทำดีที่สุดแล้วครับผมคือแบบทำดีกว่านี้ไม่ได้แล้วอะครับแล้วก็ผมคิดว่าใน100 กว่าประเทศเนี่ยเขาก็ทำดีที่สุดแล้วไม่ได้กว่าประเทศไทยด้วย
Mga Thai pageant fans, isiniwalatang di umano'y allegedly dayaan sa naging resulta ng Miss Universe 2024 competition. Mga judges, nagsalita na rin na hindi matanggap ng mga Thai pageant fans na talo na ng kanilang kandidata na si Opal Suchata dahil nabigo itong makuha ang Miss Universe 2024 crown. Subalit, inalmahan ito ng mga Thai pageant fans dahil kung ikukumpara raw ang naging sagot ng kanilang kandidata na si Opal at ng kinurunahang si Denmark ay di hamak daw na mas maganda ang sagot raw ni Opal kesa kay Denmark. Lumabas din sa pahayagan ng Daily Mail ang revelasyon ng ilang Thai pageant fans na di umano'y narab o dinaya raw talaga si Opal Suchata. Bahagi ng article na inilabas ng pahayagan na Daily Mail tungkol kay Miss Thailand. Miss Thailand was robbed. I fully agree with you on that one. Miss Thailand was robbed from the crown. Miss Thailand was robbed. Best first answer. Miss Nigeria and Miss Thailand were so robbed. Say pa ng isang Thai pageant fans na nanood ng final competition kahapon. Ninakaw raw ang corona sa kanila. Siya raw mismo ang nakasaksi na hindi raw tama ang naging resulta ng kompetisyon. Ayon sa kanya, matatanggap naman daw nila kung si Denmark talaga ang nanalo kung mas naging maganda ang sagot nito kay Opal Suchata. Pero hindi raw hindi raw ito katanggap-tanggap dahil mas maganda raw talaga ang sagot ni Opal Suchata sa Q&A kesa kay Denmark.
เพราะว่าเอาจริงๆถ้าวัดจากคำถามสำหรับผมคิดว่าแบบโดนขโมยครับโดนขโมยมงปีนี้แบบนักกีฬาถ้ามันแฟร์มันก็แฟร์ครับแต่ว่าอันนี้ผมว่าไม่แฟร์
Inireklamo rin ng mga Thai pageant fans kung bakit si Chelsea Manalo raw ang binigyan ng title na Miss Universe Asia 2024 ligwak raw ito sa top 12. Samantalang si Opal Suchata ay umabot raw sa top 5 at naging third runner-up pa. Ayon sa kanila, dinaya raw talaga si Opal Suchata. Usap-usapan rin ngayon sa social media ang isang video na kuha sa CDMX Arena habang ginaganap ang Miss Universe competition kahapon. Makikita ang grupo ng mga di umano'y may hawak ng resulta ng kompetisyon. Umani ito ng samot-saring reaksyon mula sa mga Thai pageant fans kung saan komento nila dito ay nagkaroon daw di umano ng fraud o dayaan sa resulta. Say pa ng ilang Thai pageant fans, shameful, cheap competition, everything arranged, machining the fraud. Emilio Estefan's separate table so they could do the fraud. Miss Universe 2024 was this year. The fraud. Say pa ng mga Thai pageant fans, dapat raw ay si Thailand ang kinoronahan at hindi si Denmark at dapat din daw si Opal Suchata ang binigyan ng Miss Universe Asia 2024 at hindi raw si Chelsea Manalo. I agree, should be the top 2. This is my opinion why the Danish representative can win even though she is handpicked from most of the representatives of other countries. Many hold national competition even though the time is tight with Miss Universe quarantine. The second failure, why must Philippines get Miss Universe Asia when the highest result is Thai? This makes me so confused. Say naman ng isa pang Thai pageant fan, I thought Thailandia really won was the best answer. Sometimes I do not understand the competitions they are based on. Thailand deserve a better placement. Samantala, nagsalita na ang mga judges sa naging resulta ng kompetisyon. Say ni Margaret Gardner, isa sa mga judges, nakabase raw talaga sa criteria na inilatag ng Miss Universe organization kung papaano nila binibigyan ng scores ang mga kandidata. Yung scoring daw sa preliminary ay wala na raw yun. Back to zero na daw ang scoring sa finals.
Tonight we start fresh. We look at all the criteria again. It's very important. It's usually just one question.
At importante raw talaga ang Q&A.
The message I would like to give them is to always believe and to always have hope. Working on my project Opal for Her.
But under pressure, in front of millions of people, she has to be able to show she can think and differentiate between the winner and the first runner-up.
Nagsalita na rin si Michael Cinco hinggil sa naging resulta ng kompetisyon. Say niya, si Denmark naman daw talaga ang pinaka nag-shine sa final competition, kaya siya raw talaga ang pinili nila.
She was my favorite from the very beginning. Yeah. She's so candid.
Yeah.
She's so relevant. Yeah. She's 19 years old.
Ayan, anong say mo? True ba talaga na mas maganda ang sagot ni Opal Suchata kesa kay Denmark? At true din ba na mas may karapatan raw si Opal Suchata sa Miss Universe Asia 2024 Continental title kesa kay Chelsea Manalo kasi nag-third runner-up daw ito samantalang ligwak daw si Chelsea Manalo sa top 12? Anong say mo?